pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali ko lang katabi. Hanggang saan ko kay pumuti. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sabi sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw. Iyong ikunagay sa'yo. Kung anong kulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara, himig ng kanta. Kumupos man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala. Ikaw aking musika.
Francisco, to this day, I could clearly remember you joking around that you will change my last name into yours. I promise to encourage you to follow not only our dreams, but your dreams as well. I promise to love you unconditionally. I promise to put you first and never lose our spark. Francis, you are the person I choose to spend forever with as my true soulmate, and I will choose you forever and always. I love you.
Mahal, wag kang mag-alala. Tanda naman ng puso ang itsura ng naging pagsinta. Kung oras ay nababalik lang sana.
When you bring each other to the altar of the Lord, you are sanctifying each other. Your union is sanctified. That's why we call it sacrament. Because it's not just an agreement between you and God, or rather between you together, but covenant with God.
Kristen, today I say, I do. But to me, that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side in the good and the bad. I dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and smile. I will love you forever.
Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man.
Do you take Francis here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
And do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Francis, do you take Crystal Angel here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
And do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Pag napaligiran ang ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man nais kong kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal. Sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman